Hello everyone! We are here back to our bag review. This is another collection of mine from Salvatore Ferragamo. And ayan, makikita ninyo, it's made of phyton skin. At makikita nyo yung mga material niya. It's made of silver accessories. Meron siyang strap sa loob. Pero this one is a really nice bag and it costs a lot, of course. See the material, leather inside, and phyton skin inside. At the back, I mean outside. Okay, ayan. Magandang bag ito. Pero for rare occasion lang natin to gagamitin. Mga tipong pang ninang sa kasal, pang anniversary, celebration, yan. Of course, Salvatore Ferragamo is very famous in Italy. Yan kaya sila mahal kasi handcrafted siya. Hindi siya manufactured by machines and all. So it's handmade from Italian artisans, I mean. So, I hope ma-enjoy nyo tong bag na to, but it's really nice bag. Pagkatapos nating mag-shopping, ay dito naman tayo sa kainan. Kakain naman tayo. So once again, this is Salvatore Ferragamo from Italy. Eto now, kakain naman tayo dito sa Three Peppers. At ito ang aming food for today. Ayan. These are the ingredients for our hot pot. Okay. Meron siyang fishball, tofu, kamatis, mushroom. What else is there? So, ayan. Tapos meron siyang peanut. Tapos meron tayong sotanghon dito. Okay. And of course, beef. Slice of beef. Ayan. It's a very healthy food. Plus, nag-order din ako ng chicken crisp. Ayan. Sarap nito. So, kung nagugutom kayo, try nyo itong sa Three Peppers. At eto naman ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano ang gumawa ng pizza. Ganito lang. Very easy. So, meron kayong dough, lalagyan nyo ng cheese, lalagyan nyo ng sauce, and then yung kung ano mang ingredients, that's it.